Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just realized that I haven't filmed one of these in quite a long time. And I actually had more of them to open, but I kind of cheated and opened one already. But I just thought these were sitting around for the last 2 months, plus I actually have another one on the way, and I hadn't opened them. And actually I want to see what's in these because I want to wear some earrings. In case you're wondering what I'm rambling about. By the way, hi. How are you? Nice to see you here. Thanks for stopping by. Anyway, these are Ear Fleek. Ear Fleek is a very reasonable subscription. Actually, the most inexpensive subscription that I have. It is only $3.50 a month. You can get your first pair of earrings for $1.75 a month. And basically, you're getting a pair of earrings for $3.50. You can pick the genre that you like and tell them specifically kind of what your personality and style is for earrings and everything. And honestly, it's just kind of fun because I hate going to the store and picking out earrings, and most often I won't. But you know, I have no idea what month this is because it doesn't say. It never says inside. It always has a girl with purple hair and it says, "Hey girl," and it always says that here's a fun pair of earrings for you. So let's see what we got today. They look pretty, I think. I love the way they package them because they put like a little stopper in between the two so that they don't get tangled. And wow, these are super pretty. I'm going to hold these up really close. They are black. This is metal. And there's a little rhinestone inside the circle that's hanging here. I don't know if you could see it. I think these are absolutely beautiful. And yes, of course, I will try them on. And guess what? Yes, of course, once again, they forgot to put the backings in. That's okay. These are actually hanging. That's okay. I did buy a whole bag of them. That doesn't bother me. Let's try them on. I should have worn my hair back, but I just dyed my hair again because the last dyeing job that I didn't take. I was not happy about that, so I just had to dye it again a week and a half later. It's such a pain in the tuchus process. So by the way, the reason I mentioned that, if you see hair dye around the side of my face here, yeah, that's why. So here are the earrings. What do you think? I think they're gorgeous. I can't wait to wear them. You want to know what's hysterical? The necklace that I'm wearing right now from Danielle, they go perfectly with. Yay. Okay, well, I'll leave these on while I open up my other pair. So again, I have no idea what month I'm opening up. I don't know whether this was, it's definitely not December's. I didn't receive December's yet, I don't think. I know I was charged for them. They're always a little bit late, that's the only thing. It's one of the months. Next pair. Ooh. How pretty. For $3.50 a month, guys, I'm telling you, they're fabulous. Oh, these are beautiful. They are little squares. I was going to say rectangles. I was like, okay, know your geometry, Leanne. They're little silver squares. I don't know if you can see. They have a little one on the top and a larger one dangling underneath. They're beautiful, they're simple, they do have the backings on them, which is fabulous. And I love these too. And you know what, now I'm going to try these on. This is a subscription that I'm just always gonna keep. Because for $3.50 a month, why the heck not? Do you know what I mean? And honestly, I was gonna say, I don't know what I was gonna say. I've never gotten a pair of earrings that I haven't liked. Really, truthfully, no joke. I kind of went safe with like my choices as far as how adventurous I am, but you can have fun with it if you want. There we go. What do you think? Pretty, aren't they? I really like them. I am super happy with both of these. I cannot wait to get my next one, and hopefully I will be able to open that one up like relatively on time. I don't have a discount code or anything like that, but I will certainly link Ear Fleek below, and automatically you will definitely get, I believe, I don't want to promise, but you should get your first one for half off. And if not, go to my subscription addiction and they will have something, I'm pretty sure. If you guys aren't following my subscription addiction, they have no clue who I am, but I love that, because if you love unboxings, like I do, I wish I could afford more, but I can only barely afford the ones that I have, but wish I could afford more because they have such good stuff. Yeah, there's so many I want to try. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, guys. I'm super happy with my earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that whatever part of the world you are on, in and around, that you have an amazing day, an amazing week, and a wonderful start to the new year. Toodles, everybody. Much love.